In respect of count 1, the theft, the accused is sentenced to 18 months imprisonment. In respect of count 2, the kidnapping, the accused is sentenced to 8 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, murder, the accused is sentenced to 25 years imprisonment.
Namuhla bekuphela licala labese lidonse tinyanga letingemashumi lamabili nemfica mayelana nekutfunjwa nekubulawa waMiguel Louw. Ngalesikhathi judge Jacqueline Hendricks akhipha isigwebo utsite Ebrahim bekangakhombisi ukuthi isola. Utsite lokubulala bekubugebengu lobumayelana nesingani sakhe njengoba Ebrahim bekathandzana namake waLouw. Kepha ngalesikhathi isingani sakhe sikhetha kuhlukana naye wabese ubona ukuthi kungcono abulale lo mntwana lobe aneminyaka leyimfica. Ebrahim bekathulile alalele ngalesikhathi yanikwa isigwebo sakhe kanzi umndeni waLouw nebangani bebabambe umkhuleko ngaphambi kwekuthi kuchubeke leli cala. Louw wathunjwa nga-2018 kanzi isithumbu sakhe satholwa sesonakele sekuhambe amaviki lasithupha emahlathini ase-Phoenix. Luhlo lwe-DNA lwakhomba ukuthi vele lesithumbu besisalo mfana lobekanyamalele sekusikhathi. Louw wagcinwa kubona ana Ebrahim badla kulesinye isitolo sase-Sydenham sekuphumile nesikolwa.
We're just so grateful to God that finally justice was served and our baby can rest in peace. And I think judgment was fair, and we're just so grateful, and we just thank the community and everyone, and hopefully this is an example for someone out there that thinks of doing what Vahed did to us and robbed an innocent child of his life. And finally, after so many years of running up and down, at least his father and him can rest in peace, and we as a family can try and move on, even though it will never ever be the same as the day he died. He took a part of all of us.